Get your cheap and safe coins within 10 minutes from the cheapest place on the market. Follow the link in the description and use the code KRASI for a huge discount. And if you wanna buy cheap game codes and prepaid Xbox and PlayStation cards, G2A is the place for you. Check the link down below. How's it going, guys? My name is KRASI and welcome to another FIFA 19 tutorial on my channel. Today, boys, we are gonna be talking about the most effective skill moves in FIFA 19. We've got over 100 skill moves in the game, but don't worry, guys, you don't need to learn all of them. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the most effective 5 moves, game-changing skills which will make a huge difference in certain in-game situations, so make sure to follow the video carefully. But before we get into more details, you're more than welcome to smash the like button below if you appreciate my FIFA 19 tutorial content on the channel, boys. Can we smash over 1000 likes? I have got a special tiki-taka tutorial, so once we hit over 1000, I will immediately release the next tutorial. So guys, let's get started. We're gonna kick things off with my favorite skill move in FIFA 19, the ball roll move. It's only a 2-star skill, guys, but its efficiency is out of this world. You can use it anywhere on the field to beat defenders, to avoid sliding and standing tackles, to create openings, to put the ball to the player's stronger foot, and so on. This is a game-changing skill move to use in division rivals, in FUT champions, in FUT drafts, in head-to-head seasons, and so on. And its execution is extremely simple, guys. All you need to do is hold the right analog to the player's left or the right side to perform the ball roll move. If you want to get better at FIFA 19, this is #1 skill move to master. Now let's talk about the new Iniesta skill move. It's a 4-star skill, guys. It's deadly, it's unpredictable, and the outcome is absolutely amazing. And the good news is that it's easy to do, guys. All you need to do is hold down the L1 LB button of your controller and then hold the right analog to the player's right or left side, and then the player on the ball will dribble with the ball past the defender in front of him. I advise you guys to use the skill move near the penalty box to beat the defender in front of you, create space, and afterwards score goals. Number 3 in my list is one of my favorite FIFA 18 skill moves, the stop and turn. And guess what? In FIFA 19, the stop and turn is even better, even faster, and it's more efficient than ever, guys. It's a 4-star skill move, and all you need to do is flick the right analog to the player's back, then to his left or right, and the outcome is crucial, guys. The player on the ball will turn quickly, get rid of the defender, and open space. This is the best cut inside move in FIFA 19 you can use. Now we're gonna talk about the fake shot, guys. You can do fake shot with anyone on the field. This year the fake shot is better than ever, guys. The player on the ball performs the move extremely fast and the defender in front of you has no time to react properly. You can use either fake shot variation because both of them are absolutely incredible, guys. You can perform the regular fake shot variation by holding down square plus X and then use the left analog to exit the move in any direction. The second fake shot variation is the new open up fake shot added to FIFA 19 by EA. It's quite easy to perform the move, guys. Hold down the L1 LB button of your controller and then do a regular fake shot. The new fake shot is a bit faster than the regular move, but overall both variations are extremely efficient to use anywhere on the field. Last but not least, we're gonna talk about the deadly heel-to-heel flick, guys. It's a 3-star skill move and it's extremely effective to use in one-on-one situations with defenders. You can easily break down any defense, guys, using the heel-to-heel flick move. All you need to do is flick the right analog to the player's running direction and then to his back. The player on the ball will perform the heel-to-heel flick extremely quickly, and thus you will leave the defender in front of you without any chance to take the ball. So guys, this is gonna be the end of today's most effective skill moves in FIFA 19 tutorial. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button below. A special tiki-taka tutorial is waiting for you guys, so 1000, and I will drop the video immediately after that. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to Follow me on Twitter, it's down below. Stay updated on the latest FIFA 19 news. If you've got any questions, leave me a comment below, guys, and as always, your boy Krasi will catch you later. Bye bye!